Hi everyone, welcome to FinTech Academy. This is Hirsch. Today I want to show you the two valuable tabs on the home window of QuickBooks Desktop. One, the home page, two, the Insights tab. Alright, let's get started. First, the home page. The QuickBooks homepage is a sleek way to work through your company's bookkeeping tasks in the right order. If it isn't visible, display it by choosing Company, Homepage, or clicking Home in the left icon bar's My Shortcuts section. Vendors, customers, and employees each have their own panel on the homepage, and the various arrows show how bookkeeping tasks fit together so you can follow your money from start to finish. The bookkeeping tasks for each group are laid out like breadcrumbs you can follow. However, each company is different, so you don't have to use every icon you see. Alright, let's go a little bit more detail in the home page. This section outlines the tasks you can perform from each panel. Here's what each panel on the home page offers. The Vendors panel has icons for accessing vendor-oriented features like purchase orders, bills, sales tax, and so on. The Customers panel is the place for customer-oriented features like invoices, statements, sales receipts, and so on. The Employees panel has icons for entering time and, if you turn on payroll in QuickBooks, recording payroll. Remember, payroll is an add-on feature in QuickBooks Desktop. The Company panel is on the right side of the home page. The two icons in this panel that you will probably click most often are Chart of Accounts and Items and Services, which open the Chart of Accounts and item list windows respectively. Click Calendar to review transactions and to-dos in the calendar window. The Banking panel is a one-stop shop for banking tasks. Whether you visit this panel frequently or rarely depends on how you like to record transactions. In the panel, you can do write checks, record deposits, reconcile, print checks, enter credit card charges, and open check register. Alright, let's look in QuickBooks the different panels. So first is Vendors right in the top, Customers just below that. The Employees section is the one underneath that. Remember, employees will appear only if you have subscribed for the QuickBooks Payroll. Company on the top right, and just below that is the Banking panel. Let's say if someone says my home page has disappeared, how do I get it back? Well, on the left you can see there is My Shortcuts, and just below that there is Home. You can click on that, or you can go to Company, which is right in the top in the QuickBooks menu bar, and over here you see the home page. When you click on that, yes, the home page comes back. I will click on Maximize so that I have all the panels back over here, and the home page is also ready over here. Alright, let's look at the next tab over there, which is the Insights tab. The home window has two tabs at its top left. Clicking the home page displays the home page described in the previous section. Clicking the Insights tab displays a dashboard that provides view of your company's financial status. You can change date ranges and click various parts of the dashboard to get a closer look. Let's look in further detail what the Insights tab can offer. First is Graphs. Initially, the tab's top panel displays a profit and loss graph in which monthly income is represented by green bars above the horizontal axis, and monthly expenses appear in blue below the axis. The black line hopping from month to month is your monthly profit. To change the graph's date range, choose the range you want from the drop-down list at the graph's top left. To view other graphs, click the left and right arrows on either side of the top panel. So let's look in QuickBooks, the Insights tab, which is right over here. I'm going to click on that next to the home page. And this is the section of graphs right over here. So we have all different kind of graphs over here. The first one, of course, profit and loss. The green area shows the revenue / income. The blue is the expenses, and the black line, which is hopping, is the performance of net profit, where we stand. This is for, you know, this fiscal year to date. You can of course change it like this. I would like to see for last fiscal quarter. No worries, you click on that and the report will change for that period. If I click back to this fiscal year, right over here you have those arrows. Clicking that, you can view different types of graphs. Like for example, this is top customers by sale. This is business growth compared to last fiscal quarter, so you know, you get a good comparison. Or if you want by year, you can certainly select those as well. If I go next, I will be able to see net profit margin. Again, you can select the period that you want. Alternatively, you can also use these radio buttons if you want to flip in between these graphs whenever you wish to. So right over here we have the numbers which are ready and the graphs in this section. Right, so let's look at the second section that is a part of Insights tab, which is called Income. This section at the tab's bottom left looks like the bars in the income tracker window, and for good reason. After you scan the open and overdue invoice totals, you can click one of these bars to open Income Tracker, already filtered to show the income category you clicked. For example, if you click the red overdue bar, Income Tracker opens and lists your customers' overdue invoices. Right, let's see in QuickBooks. This is the area on the bottom left, which is income, and it is divided. We can see the unpaid bills, yes, or the unpaid invoices that we have not received the money for. The overdue ones, which of course anyone will be interested to find out that who are the ones which are overdue and we haven't received the money. The paid ones are also shown right over here. Let's look at the overdue as a part of accounts receivable. The money which is yet to be received will be shown right over here. So we can see the customer name, the invoice number, the date, the amounts. The open balance is shown over here, which is the actual amount to be received. And if we want to take any action, like let's say we did receive any amounts, we can click over here. It'll straight away take us to receive payment, and we can also book the transaction in this and come back from you know, this right over this place back to what QuickBooks calls this area as Income Tracker. If someone says I want to filter and look for any specific let's say customer, I can do that. Here I clicked on the technical point as one of the customers, and I can see that there is a total amount that gets listed over here. So over and above, a lot of information in this income tracker. You can also click on the unpaid ones. That's going to show by the status over here, which are open. You can also click on the paid ones, and it's going to show the ones that we have received the money from whom, which customers are already paid. And if I click out of this by putting the X on the top, I will be taken back to the Insights tab from where we came originally. So right over here in QuickBooks, there is that expenses section on the bottom right hand corner, and we are able to see the pie chart that shows over here. We can change the period in this area, whichever we are looking for. Let's say if I want to find out what we did last month, it's going to show that, okay, last month we had cost of goods sold expenses that are recorded. If I go back to this fiscal year to date and I want to see this blue, which is payroll expenses, let's click on that. It's going to take me to the transactions. Not only that, I can click on any of the transactions over here, and it can even take me straight away to the payroll transaction that has been recorded with all the details being shown over here. So basically it is pretty easy from the part that we came, that is the Insights tab, to go back and have a look that, you know, any specific analysis that we are looking for or any numbers that we see and we would like to find out what it is about. The big purple that we see is the cost of goods sold. If I click on that, it's going to show me the transactions related to that, and of course I can click on any one of them like this, and it's going to pick up and take me to that part of the transaction. So guys, that's what is that area of the expenses tab, right? And that is the Insights tab, which gives us graphs, which gives us income, as well as it gives us the expense right in that one place. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more videos in future. Also, let me know in comments what would you like to see in future videos, like Harsh, I want to see this video, or Harsh, can you make video on this topic for QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.